Hi, I'm Christelle and welcome to another edition of E-Prime. A new chapter for Minister Kevin Downswell and his team. Last evening, the Kevin Downswell Ministries hosted the media launch for their realignment tour at the Jamaica Pegasus. The initiative is envisioned to be a life-transforming experience as the artist gives back to Jamaican youth through mentorship.
Kevin, I say to you that you have taken on a mammoth task, and JCDC, as part of our bond, we are here to give support to your ministry and your work. At the JCDC, our vision really looks at unearthing, developing, preserving, and showcasing the creative talents and cultural expressions of the Jamaican people.
This summer, the Kevin Downswell Ministries is hosting 2 concert series in the parishes of St. Mary, St. Elizabeth, and with assistance being provided to the Pringle Children's Home in St. Mary and the Manning's Boys Home in St. Elizabeth.
Children learn through repetition, and so realize that if we spend more time with them, reminding them consistently who they are and what they can become, eventually it will sink in. I really am grateful to God for helping me to, and helping us, the team, and put together this amazing coalition to help them see what love really looks like, the true meaning of love. And so, the reason why I started with this is to highlight that we're in this for the long haul. This is just chapter 1. And we're here to stay.
Prodigal Son, Rondell Positive, and Ity Ellis are just some of the names expected to appear at the realignment concerts scheduled for July 15 at the Anata Bay High School, July 16 at the St. Elizabeth Technical High, and July 22 at the Carl Hendrickson Auditorium, Jamaica College. The Jamaica Festival Song Competition began back in 1966 and won the hearts of Jamaicans who every year anticipate this highlight of the independence celebrations. This year marks Jamaica's 55th anniversary of independence, and for the first time, there will be no festival song competition. The Ministry of Culture is, however, putting together a commemorative album which will take the place of the competition this year. The album will feature some of the iconic festival songs of the past, as well as 4 newly commissioned tracks to add some melody to the celebrations. The commemorative album will be ready for the opening of the festival village at the Ranny Williams Entertainment Center on July 29. Bam Bam by the Maytals, Sweet and Dandy, Cherry O Baby, Land of My Birth are just some of the popular festival songs that Jamaicans continue to appreciate. Real or fake? Assistant Commissioner of Police Elan Powell is currently leading an investigation in relation to guns used in dancehall artist Alkaline's latest music video, After All. The video, which features characters portrayed as gunmen and others as police officers, has reportedly caused major upset within the Jamaica Constabulary Force. The artist was yesterday questioned at the Criminal Investigative Branch, CIB headquarters, along with his sister and manager, Karina Beckford, on whether the guns used in the video were real. On the international scene, 2.6 million. That's the leading number of sales for international artist Ed Sheeran's single, Shape of You, which is currently the highest selling single for 2017. The song continues to receive traction worldwide, topping major charts in the US and in England, outstreaming Drake's One Dance to become the most streamed song in the United Kingdom. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Christelle. Thanks for watching.